Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off mail notifications on your MacBook Air. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use your new MacBook, and on the upper right hand corner, you're starting to receive banner notifications for mail. How do you actually go ahead and turn those off? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, let's click on System Settings on the bottom left-hand side. Next, find where it says Notifications on the bottom-hand side. Then you're going to scroll until you find Mail. So click on Mail, and you're going to see this toggle on or off button. So if you toggle it on, it's going to show you banners and alerts. But if you toggle it off, you're no longer going to see those alerts or banners appear on the upper right-hand corner. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off notifications for mail on your MacBook Air. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.